you came here. Precisely, that is the reason you came here. Kaya kaniya yan, gobyerno, no hay man-take action. Then kita, como estaba el vice mayor y el chairman, que cosa de trabajo de polis. Pero, kaniya yan, hindi natin. Sí, eso es la attorney. Sí. Si Ama, aquí. Kung may beneficiaries aquí, kanamon kayo, mata ka naman sinti. Dito, cosa, what you felt, sinti tayo kami, mati sinti, el gente de San Juan que el cristiano, que tino, que cosa está pasando. So, más bonito usted, el human right, viene aquí, el human right aquí. El chief of police de Labuan, invita aquí. El barangay capitan de Sunubun, viene aquí. Todo que recorde no puede se negar. Kasi anda vosotros, piden tu barangay capitan. Tiene ese récord y es quien manatano, sí. So, ya, aquí tabla, no hay sila asesinato. Sí. So, ya viene vosotros. May I have 2 minutes more? Yes. Yan massacre na namitan, kung na malaiyakan. El mana, ulama ko ustedes, yan ang bishop de Lamitan, kami yung Lamitan. El bishop, yan sa 10, todo mo siya kung malaiyakan, unisen. El bishop, ya saka un Jokno, number 1 lawyer na Pilipina, kung W. Jokno. Yang unilsen, ya saka pun Jokno. Si Jokno yang napasila. Kontra pa mga soldado. So, ya beneficiaries aquí, pidi ayuda ka namin. Si, todo no puede se negar. Si na ulama ka nita sucede, na maestra ta sucede. Señor, kung sabi makita, but if we will not move, who will move? Ustedes kanya beli aquí. We don't blame anybody. Hindi kita blame. Sino? Kaya na kita. So, ang ustedes ya benek, Your Honor, they want to go home. They want to go home. Si Polveste, pero humaning kayo. Useless kita, antina.
No hay reaction.
Ma'am, Your Honor, pwede mo nubele, pwede aquí, matam.
Baka, baka, ayun ba? Hey, betapa?
Public inquiry, ma-mention.
Chance na. Central City Ordinance.
I am Aida Padrota, the sister of Sheikh Baseros Rosalud. Alam mo sir, napunta kami dito para humingi ng tulong. Kasi it was been for 20 days more than 20 days. Pinakubayan namin sa task force base ang investigation, pero hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin resulta. Wala silang naibigay sa amin, kahit na kunting result lang. Yun ang ginalakit namin. Samantala alam naman ng lahat. Alam naman kung siguro nila kung sino ang lumukot sa kapatid ko. Ang gusto ko lang yung magpakatotoo ang kung sino ang lumukot sa kapatid ko. Kung may kasalanan ng kapatid ko, bakit hindi nila iharap sa labas? Yun ang sa akin. So sir, wag po sana kami insultuhin na wala kayong magawa. Sir, dahil alam namin kayo talaga kung natulong sa amin. Sa totoo lang, saan pa kami pupunta? Pupunta kami sa pulis, wala namang aksyon. Saan kami pupunta? Pupunta kami dito sa inyo, ano naman ang magagawa ninyo para sa amin? Alam naman namin, nasa service kayo para sa amin lahat. O yun ang kailangan namin, sir. Sana matulungan ninyo kami. Thank you, sir.
Actually, yung proposal natin, yung ninyo, itaas natin ito sa Manila. Sila ang may kontrol dito sa baba. Pero, tingnan natin yung usapan ng gusto ng Manila. Member Kapato.
Yeah, again, I say, that you presented a crisis committee, management committee, y el mayor anda appointed syndicated puede ayudar con ustedes. Dale full plan de authority. Aquí sila habla ka na para imitar. So, on the concern of the chairman, we'll just make some amendments to the proposal in aid of legislation for other local purposes. Justify it around.
I submit, Your Honor, on the amendment, and if possible, Mr. Chair, instead of the 4 committees, there was a clamor for committees vote, then I move that the same.
Any second. Second by Member Valesco, Member Villanuño, Abubakar, Elago, Alapar, Agan, Sadain. Any objection? Yes.
The committee of the whole will be presided by the presiding officer, the chairman, the vice mayor. So if you want committee of the whole, the chairman will be the one presiding. But if it is referred to the committee on Muslim affairs or peace and order, they will be the one chairing it. If the chairman refuses, the presiding officer refuses, or in one way or another, if he is absent for some valid reason, then we will elect who will preside.
Suggestion,
Yes.
joint chairmanship, committee on Muslim affairs, and peace and order.
That is what I was earlier. That the human rights, very important.
Okay, good.
The 3 joint.
And also the good government. The good government can be guided.
I was talking
But
about
good
the
governance do every initiative of Zamboanga.
I was talking only of the chairmanship.
So it is the 4 committees that will now be
Although it is referred to 3 committees,
4, I think.
but the lead committee who shall oversee and coordinate the investigation and preside over the conduct of the inquiry
Human rights.
would be which committee?
Human rights.
I would suggest in 7 peace and order. In the Muslim affairs of peace and order.
I'm running away from being the chairman of Muslim affairs, chairman, the committee on Muslim affairs.
But if the committee on Muslim will sit down, there will be talks that I'm biased because I'm a Muslim. It would be in order that other committees should preside. Even right now, there seems to be, I don't know how to put it.
Will the chairman committee of peace and order agree?
Mr. Chair, makitigil yes ay pisayo. Accept tayo.
Thank you, Mr. Kabata, Member Kabata. Thank you very much.
Member Sadain?
Okay, Mr. Chairman, this is corollary to the resolution we have just earlier
Yes.
approved. Now, we constituted the committee of the whole and then you're supposed to have an inquiry. So, Mr. Chairman, first, may we ask for the time, for the date. Second, may we invite the following persons on that particular day.
Yes.
These are the following, Mr. Chairman. The Regional Director Baguio, the CD Ocampo, Task Force Basir Albarico, a certain city investigator, I do not know the name as of now, but we will supply that later on, Mr. Chairman. The former Chief of Police of Barangay Labuan, of Labuan area, District Marcos, the CHR Regional Chairman Attorney Kaping,
CIDG.
the head of the CIDG, the chairman of Barangay Labuan, Mr. Maravilla, and the chairman of Barangay Sinubong, Mr. Soler, and the Barangay Kakawan of Barangay Patalon, Mr. Kakawan Arifin, Mr. Chairman. We will supply the complete name later on.
Question.
Also, the Chief of Police of Bayana.
I was about to say that.
Yes.
The Chief of Police of
Pasado natin pa.
Sino?
Sino? Yes. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
And all those, the task force Aquanga and also the ulama groups, we will supply the name later on.
Yes, yes.
And the other witnesses.
So maybe know the date, Mr. Chair, because this has a semblance of urgency.
They are raising their hand.
Sorry, pakala.
Somebody wants to talk from the examiner, Mr. Chair.
Yes.
Thank you.
Your Honor, gusto ko sanang sana yung mga policemen na kasama ni Major Marcos. At that time, yung hindi nila rescue ang kapatid ko.
Ibigay lang yung mga pangalan.
Opo.
Sa chairman.
Thank you po, sir.
Lahat yung gusto nyo i-supply information, i-coordinate na kayo ng chairman. So any more on the issue?
The date, Mr. Chairman. The date.
Hindi.
I understand, Mr. Chairman, that
Mga magiring na mag-invite.
most of us is
Clear
not
naman.
no longer, will no longer proceed on the study tour.
Mas malikat ko yun para sila hindi pa kita
Bakit yung sulat yung kain na kayo?
Dire.
So let's see to 21.
Kaya ano na yan?
Di pag anong kontra, wala lang mag-compete to. Wala ta pa na-confirm ang sila nag-sign na sila statement nila. Masyur tambok na. Nabi ko sila kadit, wala lang kayo ng statement nila. Patagman sila, magkatil sila mag-refuse, makikita.
On the 18th, 2008.
The secretary, do we have time to invite?
Unless we've already all the names with us.
I will request anyone from the ulama group who can furnish us all those others to be invited, including those resource person.
18 morning. 18 morning. So 18, do it in the morning.
Huh?
18 morning.
18?
Morning.
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 9 o'clock.
The soonest possible time. That will be on the 18th morning.
Okay, then we have to prepare right away an urgent communication to all. Not merely communication. The communication should be followed by telephone.
Okay na, 18 morning.
18 morning, 9 o'clock. Is it fine with the rest? With the rest of the members, those who are not going up?
So I think
Member Sandari, can you suggest?
Mr. Chairman, anyway, I think there are still members who are going out on the 17th. Maybe we can, 22 is everybody will be here because the tour will end on the 20th and 21. On the 22nd, the educational tour.
Then we decide.
Friday afternoon. If you cannot Monday, Friday.
Friday afternoon. After Friday afternoon. After the prayer.
When is the Friday?
But we are no longer traveling.
When are you travel?
No,
Oh,
so if Your Honor has done to travel, may I respectfully request that he is a representative of District 2. It happened in his district. Then may I ask His Honor that he be present.
So on the 18th, I will be present. On the 18th morning, yes. 9 o'clock. Because the soonest possible time, the better. That will be on the 18th morning.
Can we make, I'm asking the Secretary, beginning this afternoon, tomorrow is Thursday. Friday, you have to make it during Saturday.
Anyway, this week, Mr. Chairman, anyway, the visitors are identified already. So they have just to deliver it to their offices.
No, we can decide. The party should decide.
February 6.
I think we should give the responsibility now to the chairman, no? And determine the date, the time, the place, for the purpose. Will the chairman now speak?
Well, when are the suggestions about first session will be on the 20th.
20th, there's a proposal for the SR.
If indeed we speak of expediency, as chairman, I suggest fecha 15, the after tomorrow. Tapi na sa todo may ikaw, ikaw rin yung isang guwapo. Okay, ikaw sinasamuhan.
We have public hearing on 15th morning.
Pag-agree na kapit.
Kasi nakira 18 Monday.
Kaya na sila katan.
The chairman says 18, Monday. Final. Okay.
Okay, go.
18.
So, it is Mr. Chair, at 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock.
Now, earlier, Mr. Chair, there were some suggestions that we also supply the name of other policemen assigned at the Laban Police Station. And these are the names, Your Honor. One is Police Chief Inspector Roberto Fernando Marcos, Police Inspector Crisanto Sarmi Diabo Jr., Deputy Station Commander PO2 Ryan Serpino Saballero, PO2 Aspalan Mai, PO2 Al Nasrib Hadjullah Muhammad, PO1 Arnel Arcillas, PO1 Dani, PO1 Ore Henes, PO1 Ryan Desapa Mariano, and PO3 Benjamin Oseo.
Mr. Chair, there is additional. The Chief of the Land Transportation, Zamboanga City. LTO, Zamboanga City.
El Soco, sir.
No, not about
Soco. Soco.
And also the Chief of the Highway. Soco, no es Soco. El Juan, no es Soco. Nagkalimutin ka Soco. El Juan, Chief de ese mga si Chene.
El Soco, aquel Adventure, Black. Nasa latakon kayo mga chassis.
The name, I guess,
Aquel Adventure.
there was a mention when they were confronted in the vicinity on Zamboanga Ecosong. There was mention when they were asked, who are you? They said, we are from Pidea. The name Pidea was mentioned. We also invite Albani to ask him if he later on ask a question.
So all other names which anyone would like to be included in the invitation, just please submit to the secretary for the purpose. No? Okay, any more? Okay, motion is approved. We proceed to the next item.